Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how I take care of my tattoos. Alright, so let's get started. You're going to be needing a dry brush, a bar of soap of your choice, coconut oil, and I use the refined kind. I typically do this on days that I take a shower, so take your dry brush and use it all over your body, brushing away from your heart, and don't shy away from those areas that can get rough, just like your elbows, your knees, and your ankles. Just hop in the shower and do your thing like you normally would. Once you're done drying off, go ahead and grab your coconut oil. A little tip that I can give you if you have one of these big jars like I do, I use an art spatula that I'm repurposing so that way I can get to the very bottom of the jar. And then I take it and just kind of butter it on, I guess. Again, don't forget those spots that really get dry. I use this actually all over my body and it works phenomenally. And that's it. Seriously, so simple. Trust me, it is so easy. Do it. I beg of you. Keep up with your tattoos. I'm sure they are expensive. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I highly appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and comment if you have any questions for me. I am more than happy to answer. I'll see you guys in the next video.